Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be making some nice cold Brazilian lemonade. It only takes like 4 ingredients: condensed milk, coconut milk, then we have limes and ice. And that's basically it. So let's get straight into the video. Let me tell you guys what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna blend all the ingredients. We're gonna cut the limes up into small bits. We're gonna put them in the blender, blend that. Then we're gonna strain it over this thing. Then we're gonna put the juice back inside the blender. Then we're gonna put the condensed milk, coconut milk. Then we're gonna strain it one more time. Then we're gonna enjoy it. So let's get straight to it.
Recipe set in half. And then cut those halves in half. Then cut.
Now,
Now,
like this so much.
now, I.
Okay. 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 So this is the final products. This is our Brazilian lemonade. So let's try it. Bismillah. Oh my god. This has got to be the best drink I have ever had in my entire life. This is so good. So creamy. You can really taste the lime. It's very, very, very delicious. You guys really, 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 really have to try this.